Have you ever caught yourself judging yourself through others' lens? If yes, then this video is for you. This video is going to be about the fear of judgment. Hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. In today's video, I will be talking about the fear of judgment that we have and how it is stopping us from actually living our one precious life. So I was watching something on Instagram about judgment and I was like, I never saw judging in this sense, in through this lens. I was watching something on Instagram related to this judgment and I was like, oh my god, I never saw it through this lens and I want everyone to see it through this lens. Whenever, according to the lady in that reel, she was telling ke whenever you're judging yourself, whenever you're like thinking that people are talking about you or thinking about you, it is actually you who is thinking about yourself or judging yourself through their lens. And I was like, hold on, we actually are doing that. We are judging ourselves, we are like using them as a reason to judge ourselves. We are like, oh my god, they will be thinking this about us. Actually, it is not them, they don't have that much time in their life, it is you who's doing it. And because of that, you are missing out on so many things in life. You are missing out on your most favorite things in life just because you want to be accepted or just because you don't want to be judged by people. You hide yourself or you hide the parts of yourself that are, I think, very beautiful, but and you are also not showing them because you are scared of what people will think. And that is not okay, because all we have is one precious life at the end of the day. And whenever I'm talking about life, I use this phrase, one precious life, because I want to remind number of times, how many ever times I can do it, I will do it. I will remind people that all we have is one precious life and I don't want it to go to waste because we are thinking about what people might think. That is not okay. And for letting that fear of judgment go, all we need to do is show up for ourselves and do the things that we love and just let people judge. Let them judge. भाई भाड़ में जाए लोग, भाड़ में जाए उनकी बातें. And also recently I completed the show Ginny and Georgia, and there is this one line in the show which got me thinking. Actually, people don't have time to think about you. It is you who is thinking about yourself. कि people are thinking, but then people are not thinking, and then they are also thinking कि you are thinking about them. I know now it sounds messy. Basically क्या हो रहा बोले तो, you think कि people are judging you and those people also think कि you are judging them, and actually no one is judging no one. The one who's judging you is you at the end of the day. And I was like, सही बात है, but ये realization होने के बाद में भी we do it. I knew it, but then the way it was explained in the show, I was like, मजा आ गया भाई. तो we need to stop doing that. We are only wasting the time of our one precious life. Now इतना आपको irritating लगेगा ये, I will tell बार बार के one precious life, but I will tell it. Deal with it भाई, deal with it. One precious life and you cannot be wasting on people's thoughts. And also there are no thoughts. Disclaimer, there are no thoughts. People are not thinking, you are thinking. At this point, I think I'm repeating myself, and let's just keep this video very short. And the only solution to, ignoring is, getting yourself lost in the doing. Just do what you love. Get lost in doing something that you love. Indulge yourself in the things you love and then be in them so much that you just have no time to think what others are thinking. Even though they are not, you just waste time, I know. But yeah, that is the solution. Just indulge yourself or lose yourself in the doing and you will not have time to think about them. That's all for today. Hope you liked it. I, as usual, loved talking. See you in the next video. Bye.